Hi guys, welcome. Very good morning. Today we will see both Nifty and Banknifty analysis through our Vardhan AI indicator. Let me have two different one is for Nifty and other one is for Banknifty. On settings, give me a moment. So to explain about Vardhan AI indicator, generally we have different kind of analysis. We have sentimental analysis, we have technical analysis, we have fundamental analysis, we have logical way of explaining things, right? Now, in this Vardhan AI indicator, we have included both sentimental and as well as price action, so that whenever the price moves in trend, whenever price moves in momentum, and that's how where we it will give you a signal. So it is not a buy and sell recommendation. Let me give you a very good disclaimer about this. This is not a buy and sell signal. This is basically about developing a very good point of view on technical analysis. Technical analysis. ಯಾರು ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Market is looking for a sharp up move because you can see the trend which is completely going from a bearish to a bullish side. So you can see here is the starting stage in the bank nifty. Here you can see the starting trend of the uptrend. So bank nifty is trying to go upwards from the previous day low. So you can see a sharp up move as per this analysis, but there is no volume, there is no very less participants. As you guys know that very less participants is equal to no momentum, and participants only kicks in when there is a very good number of players comes into the market. Guys, if you're watching this video, please share, like and subscribe so that I can understand what is happening from your end. If you have any doubts, please do comment and let me know. Like I said, market is having a bullish side right now, and you can see a price making a higher high on the this particular candle. Let's see if market bank nifty goes more than 49,500, breaking the today's pre high. Nifty and bank nifty is following the trend of uptrend. Um, Awesome, guys. So there is a very big up move. Like I said, let's see bank nifty crosses 49,400 and nifty crosses 23,100, so that we can see a very sharp up move after this. And I hope the premiums are having a very good move. See, look at this uptrend. Now there is a two different point of view. A, which is from the previous day low. There is always a bias that from the previous day low, prices can shoot up, and the same thing goes with the nifty and bank nifty. And you can see that there is a green momentum started, same over here and even here as well, right? So both the momentum, it is taking place for a bullish side. That means you can take up a call, and you can take up a safe call if you know above the 5 EMA or a 9 EMA, so that you can understand for the last 9 candles it is above. You can also analyze a volume. So if the volumes are greater than the average, then you can definitely consider that it is a bullish side. Let me go to YouTube and try for a comment. We see the bullish comment side. There are any? Awesome. Let me go to YouTube and try for a comment. We see the bullish comment side. There are any? Awesome. Let me go to YouTube and try for a comment. Usually in the scenarios of gap up or gap down, the major action would have already been done. That is the morning action. So we can see the awesome actions only after the European markets opens. Now speciality of our indicator is that there are buyers. Usually in the scenarios of gap up or gap down, and the major action is demand zone. Now, if you're one of a trader who would like to do it with a support and resistance, you can switch on the support and resistance so that you will get a proper resistance and you will get a proper support. See, before the 950 candle, you can see that there is a support, and from the support, price always moves in. Otherwise, price breaks it. So there are a lot of resistance. So you can have the automatic levels chalked down on your chart. And when prices are moving above the support, when prices are breaking the resistance, and also you can see the oscillator is gaining the momentum, that is where you take up a trade. This is definitely not a buy and sell recommendation. This is not a quick rich scheme, guys. When there is a very good analysis in the market, you can take up a call. So many people have this doubt about why do we have to use indicator? Indicators are lagging, and price action is the most important thing. Price action is the king. I do agree. But if you want to have the analysis, you need to rely on automated things. You need to have an automated things made by the machines. See, now the support and resistance which has been coded, right? What do I mean by coded? In the sense that as per the price movements, it will give you the data. It is a lagging one. I'm not saying no for that, but it will give you a very good bias. It will give you a very good analysis on using the indicator. It is not bad to take help from something, right? It will give you an additional insights on using this indicator. So prices are declining, and the very first thing you need to have is that you need to have a key levels in your chart, right? So the key level can be many things. The key level can be you can have support and resistance, which is a very common in your analysis. And the second one is that you can probably have a pivot point so that uh, it will give you a proper analysis based on that as well. And you can also use OI levels if you are using a Nifty and Banknifty to take up a trades. Fourth one is that you can also use the levels of supply and demand. So these are the key levels that you need to make sure to add it, and these key levels will help you to identify the zones and help you for the level to take up any sort of a trade. Nifty and Bank Nifty is declining, and I think Nifty is also coming down. Sensex is also coming down. Market is declining to go up. When you have a key levels, support and resistance, pivot points, OI level, supply and demand, any kind of a key levels, when you have it, and that is where you will have a very good point of view on the charts. And when you have a good chart, and that is where you can have a good analysis, guys. Guys, if you're watching this video, please like and comment so that I can understand that you are here, and let me help you in terms of your trades.
ಲೈವ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋದು
Right now, there is no action in Bank Nifty. So let me activate both. One of the very, I spoke to many traders in the seminars or in the webinars. Usually, what traders have expressed is that their entry is always good. Their entry is always good, but their exit is always bad. That is where a stop loss comes into the picture, guys. And you can have a stop loss before you enter a trade. Plan your risk to reward ratios of 1:1, 1:2, and things like that.
Tell me account details.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching this video, please like, share, and comment so that I can understand what is happening from your end. Please comment your questions so that I can answer them. Right now, there is no action in the market. Bank Nifty and Nifty. Let's see if Bank Nifty crosses 49,450 and Nifty crosses 23,100 so that uh, price can go advance of today's high. Bank Nifty has a very good candle. Let's see if it goes. Nifty also has a very good momentum. See, this is the thing, guys, where prices are moving upwards. You know that what is the trend happening over here. See, look at the Nifty and Bank Nifty. We have a green, that is, it is a bullish side, and also we have over here, which is the oscillator also says the trend strength, right? And this point of view, this analysis will give you more clarity to take up any sort of a trades, right?
Time link.
Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's see that if it crosses this high so that prices can advance. Like I said, guys, Bank Nifty and Nifty is making a good advance. Let me add the oscillator, and that strength is continuing with the bullish side. You can plan the trades after once your zone is being broken, that is, this particular zone is broken. Many people were asking about the time frame to use this indicator. Use 5 minutes if you're an intraday trader, use 3 minutes if you're a scalper, use 4 hours time frame for a swing traders. Nifty and Bank Nifty prices are making higher high, guys. It is above the 9 EMA. The trend strength is still continuing. Let's see if it breaks us of Bank Nifty 49,450 and Nifty 23,100. 25 points more for the Nifty and the 60 points for the Bank Nifty in the spot. Sensex is also having a higher high. I'm just seeing that in a different monitor. Let's see if it breaks. Market moves always in trend, and let's see if this is having a trend with a momentum. If you're an option trader, check out the spot over here, and you can also check the OI levels. I think in the next week I'll also bring out a video about how do you plot a levels or a zones using OI, because option works based on the open interest, the open contracts which are being traded in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. If you can understand the open contracts, you can understand the volume. If you can understand option contracts and the volume, then you can definitely understand the direction of the price. If you can understand the direction of the price, definitely you can plan your trades based on that. $30 points to go for a Nifty and 50 points to go for a Bank Nifty. Let's see if it breaks us today's high, or at least let's see if it goes us till the high of today's of the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. The beauty of technical analysis is to understand what is happening with the price, what is happening with the volume, and based on that, you can definitely plan your trades. Nifty and Bank Nifty trying to break the previous four candles. Let's see if it breaks us. If it breaks us, then your next target would be the today's day high. Guys, Bank Nifty is making a very good up move. Let's see if Nifty goes up. Both the prices are in above the 9 EMA. The trend strength still continues. If it breaks its last 3 to 4 candles, then your target would be the day's high. Awesome, guys. Bank Nifty is moving with the momentum. Always price has to move in the direction in the momentum so that the premium prices will also move up. If prices are moving, prices are advancing very slowly, then premiums, you will never get the premiums because of the option Greeks and option delta. New candles making a higher high and Nifty taking a support of 9 EMA. The trend is still a bullish. Let's see if it breaks its last 3 to 4 candles and it can touch the today's high. Like I said before, the gap up or a gap down, usually the morning actions are done. It's a very, very rare scenario where you can see a V-shaped recovery or a lot of put writers comes into the picture. So let's see what happens. Nifty is making trying and Nifty requires another 20 points to crosses 23,100. Bank Nifty require another 30 points to crosses 49,500. Please have a disclaimer, guys, that we are not SEBI registered and we will not recommend any stocks or the buy and sell. Please have this particular disclaimer. Prices are declining. Most of the banking sector stocks are in bearish. You can actually uh, see Axis Bank is 0.33% down, Kodak is 0.38% down, Bank of Baroda is 0.56% down, and Federal Bank. Most of the banks are in down. Only HDFC, SBI, and ICICI Bank are uh, in positive. ICICI Bank is 1% up, and SBI is 0.44% up. One of the very beautiful system what I really liked from the analysis is our elder impulse. Elder impulse is such a good tool to identify and plan your trades. Whenever we are in, whenever we are in the trades, uh, if there is a candle and then if there is one more candle which is about red color, we usually get panic and we exit the position or we square off the position. Now elder impulse will show you the trend. Whenever there is a green, that means it is a complete bullish, and whenever there is a blue, that is a warning that trend is getting changed, and then there is a red, that means that it is a bearish. See, I have activated both the elder impulse and as well as our indicator. The trend is still a bullish, but elder impulse is saying me that it is a bearish, and my oscillator is also saying that prices are getting declined. There is a very 49,480 was a price where prices got declining, and 23,082 is a price where it is getting declining. So let's see another 20 seconds is there. The trend is getting changed from bullish to bearish. And our indicator, this is where you will get a buy signal, which is a one signal, right? You require three different signals to take up a trade. The one signal says that it is you can go for a shorting, and you can, the oscillator also says it's in red color. Ladies and gentlemen, please plan your trade. There is a trend change, and let's see, prices are coming below the 9 EMA, and this means that it's having a Nifty and Bank Nifty failed to cross 23,100 and Bank Nifty of 49,500. It has a very sharp decline, about 1025 candle. Now your next target can be a day low. If day low crosses, then you can go for the next demand zone. Guys, that the next demand zone is at 49,066. Guys, in this live, we are watching the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Prices are declining, and your next target can be the day low. Our indicator says that it is a bearish. Guys, you always require three different analysis, three different bias to take up a trades. Right now, uh, it is in a bearish side. Sensex, Nifty, and Bank Nifty all are declining the price. Guys, your next target can be the day low. And in the Bank Nifty, 49,296. Trend is your friend. Go with the trend. Do not plan against the trend. Right now, market, this particular trend is in the bearish, and if it crosses, if it breaks the day low, that is the beauty where you can see a very sharp decline from the zones. The new candle says that it will go down. The new candle also has a bearish bias, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has a candle of open is equal to high. Nifty also has those candles. Most of the banking sectors were low. See, look at the analysis. Prices are less than 9 EMA, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and the trend is in bearish. Candle is having a bearish thing, and open is equal to high, right? Prices having a momentum, guys. Plan your trades. Like I said before, uh, your next target would be about the day low. Prices are having a sharp decline, guys. There is a very sharp move from both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Prices have touched their Bank Nifty of 49,286. Huge momentum to the backside. Nifty has the new supply zone over here. See, look at the so precisely. Nifty is having a new supply zone over here plotted. With our indicator, you can understand the dynamic lead of a supply and the demand zones. Guys, look at how the precisely it is having the low. Look at the trend. Look at the trend. Look at the premium prices. Premiums would have been shorted. If you have taken up a trade, please close your trades to the day low or trail your stop losses. Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex. Sensex is more than 500 points down. Guys, so precise entry and exit with this particular bearish one. And like I was always saying, analysis is what you require about it. And look at this particular analysis, what we have just made. Prices are still declining, and the next target can be the demand zone. Let's see if this particular demand zone breaks in. Nifty and Bank Nifty both have been crossed the day low, and this is the beautiful momentum where your premiums have got spike up. Fall writers are making a very sharp moves here. Prices are declining. Nifty and Bank Nifty is no turning back. Guys, look at the trend. When we spotted this particular trend, uh, I told you that it will go down. The reason I told you is that the trend is getting changed, and in the oscillator you can see that there is a trend change and there is a trend strength towards a bearish side, and also prices are less than 9 EMA, and that is where you take up a trade of a bearish and keeping your stop losses over here. Let's see, let me put a stop position over here, this candle, and you can keep a previous candle's high. You can still would have captured about 1:1. I always say 1:1. Let's see if it crosses 1:2. No, 2, and this is what I'm planning in my Bank Nifty. There's a 30 seconds more. Let's see if it crosses. Let me put the same thing in the Nifty. You would have had it over here, keeping the previous candles high with a 1:2 ratio. Okay, in Nifty, there is already a hit with the targets. Our targets has been hit for Nifty and Bank Nifty. I really don't think you require anything more than this. 1:2 risk ratio with Vardhan AI indicator. There is a demand zone over here, and let's see if it crosses this. Prices have already declined today's day low. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching this video, please do like, share, and comment on this. Join us on the live chat so that we can explore what is happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Prices had a very sharp move towards downside. Now you should be aware that there is a demand zone over here. Okay, the previously prices have went opposite. Demand is a level where the big players enter into the market, so as supply zones. So you can square off. I told you the target. The target was that till the demand zones or to the risk to reward ratio of 1:2. 1:2 you have already hit. Our targets are hit both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty is trying to have more. I think it target can be towards the demand zones. If you have taken this trade using our indicator, please comment. Looking at the strength, I think the party is over. Looking at the strength of the bearish, the party is over. The maximum Bank Nifty or the Nifty can go till to the demand zones. If there are more call writers, then see there is a very sharp move over here. This, if has a very good strength. See, our oscillator says that you are in the middle of a trend, right? Our oscillator says that you are in the middle of a trend, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. That means you can square off the position. Let me add volume so that we can get a more analysis over here. See, I told you before, volumes are more than average, right? That is where the big players, good volumes are coming into the market and a lot of transactions are happening. Bank Nifty has a hit of 1:2. Nifty, I think it's 1:3. Yes. Nifty 1:3, Bank Nifty 1:2. A very good risk reward ratio. Let's see the actions of what can happen if it crosses the demand zones. I think prices will be in deep, because if I can have 15-minute time frame, look at this. The next target will be huge. I think I can also see a head and shoulder pattern here in the 15-minute time frame. Awesome, guys. If you have taken up this particular trade, please close your trades in 1:2 and you can enjoy the profits. Basic Trader is not a SEBI registered, so we don't provide any buy and sell signal. Our indicator provides proper technical analysis to help you in making a trading decisions. Look at these three beautiful candles in the Nifty and Bank Nifty where prices have declined in a sharp move. Right now, Bank Nifty is in that demand zone and Nifty is also in the demand zone. That trend strength. I told you that trend is in the middle, so that prices can have, upwards. When there is a bearish trend, and you can understand when the trend starts and when the trend ends, and confluence with this, and as well as over here you can have a very good analysis. Look at these two volume candles where it was more than average, and you can have you can take you it will give you a confirmation that whether this particular trades are valid or not, right? Banknifty is crossing the demand zone. Let's see what can happen. There is absolutely no green candle from past 15 minutes. A beautiful trades would have been taken in this with a risk to reward ratio of 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2. In the Nifty, we have crossed 1 is to 3. I think if it crosses this demand zone, like I said before, it will be in a very, very deep. Look at the strength of the particular bearish trend. It is maintaining. See this particular trend, it is maintaining, it is not coming lesser than the previous one. And this is where you will actually, and when you activate the elder impulse, right? I think in Nifty, let me activate the elder impulse. There is a theory that whenever a big player enters, he'll not be making it in a single candle or a two candles. And let's see if prices decline this particular demand zone, and market will be in a very deep if it crosses this demand zone. I can see a very good momentum in Nifty and Bank Nifty. The volumes are more than average. If you're still holding this particular trade, guys, I think it is 1 is to 3 in the Bank Nifty. There comes where in the Bank Nifty 1 is to 3 and the demand zone is gone because prices are moving towards, prices are declining. Look at this Nifty 1 is to 4 and Bank Nifty 1 is to 3 reward ratio. Awesome guys, both our targets has been hit in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty 1 is to 4, Bank Nifty 1 is to 3. Look at the analysis that we have made logically, and that is where we help you, and that is where Vardhan AI indicator will help you in making a very good decisions. Guys, the trend is coming down. So you can see that the trend strength of the bearish is coming down. If the prices crosses this particular demand zone, this can be your next target in the Nifty. If it crosses this, this can be your next target. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching this video, please do like and share. And I think our trades are done, and we have had a very good risk to reward ratio in this morning zones. So I think I'll end the live streaming at 11 o'clock. Like I said before, there is a trend, very less trend of the bearish. So prices can go upwards after this. Awesome, guys. I think we have hit our trades. Thank you so much for watching this. Please do like and share, support us.